And if you're on TikTok, I'll let you know about the weather, but I'll tell you now, it is off to a chilly start. The good news is that no weather-related delays for us. DFW Airport right now, 49 degrees. If you look closely enough, you can see the camera shaking at times. It is a little breezy out there, and it'll be like that really the rest of the afternoon. Something else I got to tell you, we hit 31 degrees this morning. That makes it the second official freeze at DFW. The last time we hit freezing temperatures was like a month ago, November 27th. A normal amount of freezes by this point in the year is 10, and we've only had 2. So we are well behind schedule. Per season, we on average see about 29 freezes. And again, we're well behind schedule. 49 degrees right now at DFW. It does feel like 43, and that's all thanks to the breezy conditions. We have a south wind anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. DFW specifically at about 16 miles per hour right now, and our air is also very dry. We'll continue to see the temperature climb slightly here the next several hours. We're already at 48 degrees in Fort Worth, 49 in Denton and in Decatur. But this afternoon we make it to the mid 50s. 56 degrees expected in Dallas and in Fort Worth. That is absolutely normal. Exactly where we should be this time of the year. Some locations may make it a degree or two warmer, and that'll be mainly south of Interstate 20. If you're going to be out and about this evening, it's going to remain chilly and breezy. We drop down to 54 degrees around 5, 49 degrees around 7. Tonight, we'll continue to see our clear skies. It will still be a cold night, but it won't be as cold as this morning. And it's because of our southerly wind, about 39 in Denton, 38 in Fort Worth, 37 in Dallas, and areas south of Interstate 20, closer to about 40 degrees. Now this, again, still cold, but not as cold as this morning. I think most of us will stay above freezing. That won't be the case every morning. We have a front that moves in tonight, but that cold air is going to filter in tomorrow. By the time Wednesday at night into Thursday morning rolls around, temperature drops to 34. We make it to freezing Friday morning. Saturday morning, very close to it at 33. 38 Sunday morning. And Sunday is one of those days where we see that temperature climb. The next several days will still be trending either at normal or cooler than normal, especially looking at Thursday with a high of 49 degrees. But the last day of 2023 is trending warm, about 6 degrees warmer than normal, a high near 62 degrees. And that's all ahead of that next front that will help our temperatures drop into the 50s. But today, if you are traveling anywhere in the state of Texas, it'll be fine. You'll just be running into some breezy conditions, clear skies, but we do have this big system that is right in the middle of the country. And that's what's helping bring in not just the colder air, but it's also helping bring in some snow across areas of the plains, Kansas, areas of Colorado, Nebraska, into South Dakota, and just north of that, seeing a winter mix, so some ice even across areas of North Dakota and across northern Minnesota. And that's where we find winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and blizzard warnings. So not only do we have that winter preset, but we also have high winds that's lowering the visibility, which is why blizzard conditions are expected today across the middle of the country. Of course, a popular travel path for airplanes, so you may be running into some delays today. That's the major trouble spot of the day. Another trouble spot will be the rain that continues anywhere from the Great Lakes towards the Carolinas and into Georgia, areas of northern Florida as well. Tomorrow, the trouble spot then shifts to northern California into areas of the Pacific Northwest. And that's all thanks to a new system coming in. Another system follows that into the rest of California. So kind of wet for the West Coast in the next couple of days. For us, we stay dry. Temperatures are going to be fluctuating from the upper 40s to the low 50s this week, and then kind of warm on Sunday before our next cool down early in the new year. Our next chance of rain, well, that's going to hold off until next Wednesday and Thursday.